All right, everyone. So in this tutorial, we're going to be creating our first program. It's going to just print hello world as tradition. So we're just going to go to this directory here that I've set up. You can use any directory you want, but the first thing we're going to do is just right-click, new, and then text document. It doesn't really matter what name it is, just create the document. And then what you're going to do next is just right-click and let's see, open with Visual Studio Code. All right, we're going to open this folder that it was in. Okay, so we're going to right-click on that, rename it to, let's see, hello.c. Okay, so this is our first C file. So the first thing we're going to do is press the number sign and then include standard IO. Now this is the first thing we need to include in our file. It just tells the, it just allows us to use a bunch of IO libraries, standard IO libraries, so we can display text on the screen. The next what we're going to do is we're going to create our first function. We're just going to call it int main, which is the starting point of our C program. Then we're going to have then we're going to have square brackets, and then print function hello world. All right, and let me just see one moment. All right, so yeah, hello world, and don't forget our semicolon. So what this program is going to do is it's just going to print hello world to the screen. So the next thing we have to do is, so let me just recap. So this slide includes our standard libraries that allow us to write text to the screen. This is our main function, which is the starting point of any C program. And this function call just prints the text hello world to the console. So we're just going to right-click terminal, new terminal. Okay, and then we're just going to type, into compiler, we're just going to type GCC, which is our compiler name, hello.c, -o, and hello. Okay, that means we successfully compiled our .exe. So remember, on Windows, you don't have to actually specify .exe when you're writing the program. Windows does that automatically. So on Linux, it might be a little different. Also on Linux, I should have mentioned this in the first part, Linux will already have the compiler installed for you. So to run that program, we're going to just type / and then our program name, hello. And then, yep, and there we go. We printed the text hello world to the console. So that's our first C program. So in the next tutorial, we're going to be talking about variables. Thank you all for listening.